Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your air conditioner is not working. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Both the AC fuse and relay will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. It's right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on the right side, one on the left side. So you want to press those tabs in and lift it up to unlock it. Now once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. And right here you will have a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Now the fuse you want to check is located right here in the middle of the fuse box. It's a 10 amp red fuse responsible for power to the AC compressor. And just next to that fuse right here, this is the AC compressor relay. Now, if both fuse and relay prove to be good, you'll have to do kind of a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking towards the AC compressor itself. Make sure that the AC is actually charged up. Look at any of the AC lines leakage and things like that. But this is the first and easiest thing to check, the fuses. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.